Earn $13 per hour worldwide without investment. Welcome. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just multiple different ways. So I always get messages of people asking, how can I make money online? I got people from all overseas. Now, what I'm going to share with you, it doesn't matter if you're in the US, you're in Canada, or anywhere else in the world. I'm going to show you how you can earn $13 per hour worldwide without investment. So that means you need absolutely no money to get started. Only thing you have to use is your time, and you can make this money. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. If you're brand new here, this is your first time, hey, welcome to the family. I talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and multiple ways how you can start something online where you can generate some income and also some passive income. So if you're looking for passive income, check out the first link in the description, and I'll shoot you over my #1 recommendation. So that way you can know and what you can get started with. So I'll send that over to you. So this is indeed my YouTube channel. I always create a video at least once per day, or sometimes every other day, right? So this is the YouTube channel. There's a lots for you to go through. So feel free to take your time. If this is something that you're not looking for, I have a lot more great videos for you to watch. So how are you going to earn $13 per hour worldwide without any investing? Now, the website that I'm going to share with you, and I always recommend you always go to Google. You always want to do your research and make sure that is it legit and you're getting proof from it before I even create a video. So I always want to make sure I do all my research, make sure there's no, there's no false things that they're advertising. But this right here is a website that is called Verbalink. So Verbalink is a great website, and I always have people all over messaging me or leaving in the comment section. So you too, feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know if you enjoy this video or what type of video that you recommend, and I can just point you in the right direction, not a problem. So this right here is a great video, not a great video, a great website that they are looking for people all over the world. There's always people traveling overseas. There's people going to China. There's people going to Paris. There's people going to Italy and also in Spain. So there's multiple different languages that they're looking for people who can speak that language. So even if you speak your native language, that's even good, because this is worldwide and you can earn $13 or more per hour just by doing this without you investing any money. So verbalink.com, you learn how to speak. So people come on here and they try to find, they have over 7,500 plus teachers right now. And they're backed by BBC, there's Forbes, there's Mashable, there's TechCrunch, and VentureBeat. So these are some of the things if people come on here and they would like to go out and they would want to learn from a teacher on this platform. So let me just jump into things, and I'm going to share with you, so stick with me to the end. I'm going to show you how you can actually get more clients and people that's going to fill up your calendar once you do this. So this is how they do. They find a teacher, they take a lesson, they learn every day, and they make progress. So it's pretty simple. So right down here, these are some of the languages. Italian, there's Spanish, there's English, people speak Japanese, there's Korean, there's French, and they have over 60 different languages. So they have like a great testimonial. You can watch the video if you want, but I'm not going to play it right now. But people, oh wow, it just popped up. I'm not sure what happened. All right, let me just close out of it. Oh wow, it just like literally just started. And that's pretty cool. I just basically just click on it just for a little bit, and it just went like insane. All right, so we just click on here. All right, there we go. Close it out. So if you'd like to be a part of this great company, you can just come down here where it says apply to teach, and you will just click on it. So you click on it, apply to teach, you earn money teaching your language online. So your native language, and if you speak more than one language, that's even better. You will have more people. So let's say if you speak Spanish, you speak French, and you also speak English, that's even great. Those are not the only language, but multiple languages are, that's a plus. So apply to teach, you earn money from teaching. You can click on the apply button. But let me just scroll down here and show you exactly what's going on here. So you earn money, right? Earn money. You teach anytime you want. International community, as I mentioned, people all over the world. You can gain followers and build your community. Flexibility. So you teach in any capacity, full-time, part-time, or just occasionally. So let's say you have a full-time job, and if you want to do a couple of hours on the weekend, you could do that. Or maybe when you come home from work, you can do that as well. So you teach from home or anywhere that is convenient with your device, and you can get started right away. So they have some very frequently asked questions. So if you want to come down here and you want to see the requirements that they're looking for, I'm sure they're probably looking for some requirements. Do I have to be a native speaker? And yes, you have to be. So the whole idea behind it is to make sure that the students get to speak with someone who is a native of that country. So maybe you speak Hindi, or you speak Portuguese, you speak Spanish, you speak French, Tagalog, all the other languages. There's so many, Afrikaans, Dutch, lots and lots of stuff. So can I teach more than one language? No, at this time, Verbally can only teach one language, and that's like their native language. So that's something that they're working on. So for payments, how do you cash out? Earnings can be cash out. The new earnings are unlocked and available to cash out every Sunday or every Monday, depending on your time zone. So that right there, you can get paid every week. So weekly, you can get paid just by doing this. So come through here. There's a lot of questions that I'm sure you probably want to know. So just take your time and just run through it. So if you want to apply, you just click on the apply section. You could sign up with Google. You could sign up with your Facebook account. And there's like a few different steps that you have to go through, and then you can get started right away. So how it works, you'll find a teacher. That's what, if people come on here, they'll find a teacher. And you can find a teacher. If you come on here, this person right here is making $19 per hour. And this is US dollars. So they teach English, and they're from the US. And she has done over 685 lessons already. So they'll give you a chance to do a little bio right here. So feel free to do that. So book a free trial. This person is booked. And I mean, like, oh, well, they have some space on Monday. So she's booked for today, which is Friday. There's nothing on the weekends. Excuse me. And you could just sign up for it. So you could sign up and you can get started right away. So right down here, this person is charging $30 an hour. Wow. They do speak some other languages as well, but they teach English. That's their main thing. They have a little video right there that you can check out their profile. If you look on their profile right here, you can see she is from the United Kingdom, and she has a lot of 5 stars, right? These are some of the her little bio information and everything. And she, per an hour, it's like $31 an hour. And let me see, for a free trial, you get a free 30-minute trial. Wow. So you get a free 30-minute. And then after that, I'm sure she's going to probably want to say, hey, would you like another hour? Would you not like 5 lessons? Right? And you could sign up for it. You could book your time. You can message her. I'm sure she has a great video on here. So these are some of the things. And as I mentioned before, stick around. I'm going to share with you how you can bring in more people just by promoting it. So if you come down here, you see there's people getting 24, there's 55, there's 19 bucks, there's 10, there's also $21, there's 25. So once you set up your profile and everything, you're ready to go. I'm sure Verbalink will send you customers and clients, because there's always people on here looking for people, that will teach them. Sure, there's people, that need to get a language. So you want to promote. I highly recommend you go over to Twitter. Twitter is a great forum. You can go on Twitter and you can type in, I want to learn Spanish. So let's say you're Spanish, you know how to speak Spanish. I'll type in, I want to learn Spanish, and this person right here just posted 5 o'clock today. This was 12 hours ago. I want to learn Spanish and talk to Berlin. Vamos, vamos. I want to learn Spanish, not Hindi. So these are some of the things you could reply to these people, and you can say, hey, I'm native speaker in Spanish. I do this, I do that. And look at this. All these people want to learn Spanish. So many people here on Twitter. So if it's German, you could do the same thing again. I want to learn German. So whatever language that you speak, people on here like I want to the real lesson. I want to learn German. People, I want to learn German, but I also want to Duolingo or kidnap my family. Oh well, ooh, I don't know about that, but you get the idea. You want to come on here, you're going to promote. The next place you could go, you could create a YouTube videos. Make quick little videos such as like 2-3 minute videos, even 4 or 5. Let's say you want to type in, I want to learn Spanish, right? I want to learn Spanish. If you look on here, these are tons of people that is willing to, they teach, and there's hour-long videos, but you could put like 2-3 minutes, introduce yourself, give a little tutorial, and start to get more traffic and more people to your YouTube. And then at the end or before, you could say, if you want to learn more about it, I highly recommend I could give you a free 30-minute, I could give you a free 15-minute, I could give you a 10-minute rundown, and click on the link down below in the description, and you could get started. So you can use that different angle. You can also go on Facebook. You can go on, you can go on Facebook. There's lots of Facebook groups as well. You can also go on LinkedIn because there's people all over the world just looking for it. But I recommend that you come on here on Twitter because people are always tweeting. People are always traveling overseas. So whatever language that you see, I want to learn German this summer. Like, look at this. People are over here want to learn language. So you could come through here and you could sift through whatever language, you can message those people. Hi, I see you're interested in learning German or learning French or learning this. How about you interested in this? I can show you a place that you can learn. I can give you a tutorial. So when you send them the link, they know that it's a real company and you can start from there. And maybe you could upsell them on some other things. So I hope this video helps. And do remember, right? Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know what you think in the comments. You're looking for my #1 recommendation. I highly recommend you check the first link in the description. So I'll send that over to you and you could get started. So this video was earn $13 per hour worldwide without investment, because I know a lot of people, have a lot of money right now. So that's why I created this video. So you can go out there and take massive action. So sign up, let me know what you think, and keep me posted. My name is Andre. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.